Today is finally the day. I'm going to decorate the tree. Lights. I haven't gone through any of this stuff. I hope the lights are good. I have no idea. I did my festive holiday makeup so I feel in the mood. And it is a pretty overcast day today, which I guess is good because I was reading online that it's good to decorate your tree with the lights on in the dark, at least when you put the lights up, so you can kind of see what everything looks like. Hopefully it all looks good. I'm excited because for the first time since I've been married and had like a family Christmas, my own family, I'm changing the decorations. I'm doing black and white. I'm really excited because my mom found me some black and white buffalo plaid wrapping paper, so I'm gonna see how many gifts I can get with this. It's gonna be magical. So, let's get started. I probably need an extension cord, but I'll worry about that later. Since I have two strands and smaller at the top, is I'm going to get this first strand on this bottom rung twice around, and then probably the next rung of branches once around. I do think you do the lights differently if you have enough ornaments where you're having one of those trees where it's like so stuffed with ornaments, which I absolutely love. The trees where you can't even see green, you just only see ornaments. I love that. What I also know is if I concentrate more lights on the bottom, if I happen to purchase another strand of lights, I can redo the higher portion because it'll be easier because I've already got lights up. Or I don't have to take them off and redo the whole thing. I can just plug them in and keep going on the top. I really do need more lights. I like a tree with tons of lights. And right now I have 2 strands. I think I probably need 4 strands to get the amount of lights that I would like on the tree. What my goal is to have the tree so bright that it is basically like a lamp. Black and white, but I want like glam. And a lot of the black and white I see online that's with the buffalo plaid is not super glam. It's just not for me. I'm gonna need more lights, but I'll worry about that later. So let's start with the black and white. I learned a thing on Pinterest that you decorate in triangles. So you look for triangle spots all around the tree and make sure that if you've got black ornaments, you have a triangle of black ornaments everywhere you look. So let's get our triangles going. These are my black ornaments. They have a little glitter on them. Oh, right. They don't have the hooks. Shoot. And my hooks are all on my old ornaments downstairs. So guess what? We're not starting with black and white. Womp womp. I'm gonna put this first box of gold on and I'll be back. The first bag of ornaments are on and it doesn't look like much. Okay, so I just found 2 boxes of lights. They each have 2 strands in them. My husband's not gonna be happy because I just realized I probably shouldn't have started putting the ornaments on if I was gonna find more lights. So I'm just gonna put them on top and he'll just notice when we take the tree down. I put more lights on. It's looking really nice. I could have put a million more lights on, but I have this problem of already having putting ornaments on the tree. That's all right. I'm going to order more hooks. I'm not gonna do anything else today, so stay tuned for a future Vlogmas video where I finish decorating my tree.